Did you know that, within just a few years, every adult in the UK could be required to carry a government-issued digital ID on their phone? One that controls access to work, healthcare, even travel? It sounds futuristic, but it's already happening. Behind closed doors, the UK government is quietly rolling out a nationwide digital identity system, a modern solution to fraud and online safety that critics warn could become the most powerful surveillance tool Britain has ever seen. A digital ID combines your passport, driver's license, and personal data into a single profile stored in an app, verifying your identity with a single tap. But every tap leaves a trace. Ministers insist there's no central database, yet connecting multiple systems creates exactly that, a massive target for hackers or for misuse. And what about those without smartphones or digital access? Will they simply be left behind? Officially, it's voluntary for now. But in September 2025, Prime Minister Keir Starmer confirmed that digital IDs will become mandatory for right-to-work checks, meaning, if you want a job in the UK, you'll need one. Supporters call it progress, opponents call it control. Civil liberty groups warn it could evolve into a digital passport for life, where every transaction and every right depends on a system you can't opt out of. With AI and biometric tech advancing fast, the line between convenience and surveillance is fading. September 26, 2025 may be remembered as the day Britain crossed that line, not with plastic ID cards, but with invisible code woven into daily life. This isn't science fiction or conspiracy, it's official policy, already underway. A plan designed to simplify life, but one that could redefine privacy, freedom, and identity itself. Because digital ID isn't just about technology, it's about trust. Who controls your data, who sees it, and how much of your life you're willing to hand over for convenience. So what do you think? Is the UK's digital ID the next step towards safety and efficiency, or the first step into a surveillance state?